Let's meet Mike. Mike is an IT student. He's currently attending C++ lecture, or at least trying to. But every time Mike attends this lecture, he loses focus and gets lost in his own imaginative world. Oh God, learning to code is so boring. Ouch! Now Mike was determined to find a better way to learn coding. Mike searches for C++ on App Store, and ta-da! He comes across C++ by Programming Hub, an app to get you job-ready with verifiable and shareable certificate. Mike is mesmerized with what he sees, a completely new learning experience like never before. Mike starts learning multiple programming skills real fast. With interactions, programs, quizzes, and a compiler to run his code on all his devices, Mike is now enjoying this journey. Most importantly, he's not being hit by chalks anymore. Mike completed his favorite courses and became prepared to get his dream job. Be like Mike. Upgrade your learning experience with C++ by Programming Hub today.